Hey guys, so today I want to do something a little bit different, and so I am going to be remaking or kind of showing you how to make a banner for your YouTube channel. Now, I'm not a big fan of the one that's here currently. It doesn't quite match the pink there, and it's a little too purpley and just looks a little funky, and this avatar I was going to include in the channel, but I accidentally sort of deleted it when I had that whole virus thing going on, so I need to kind of get rid of that because it's not really a part of the channel anymore. So we're gonna go ahead and remake that. So for today, the purposes of today's video, I'll be using a free online software called Pixlr. It's super easy to use, super easy to find. You can literally just search for it and open it up. I don't even think you need an account for it. So anyway, so I just opened, just kind of created a general image. You know, you can use Photoshop for this or whatever else you guys are using. So I just basically have a basic image here that's about the same size as the YouTube thumbnails, because I use this also to create my thumbnails. Now the banner size has actually 3 different sizes, as you can see if you go to, there we go. As we can see right here, it gives us a little demonstration of laptop, mobile, and TV, and how it's going to look on each of those. So basically what I've done, and I'm going to grab it real quick here, is I just quickly downloaded a small template that I can just drag and drop and put right there. And so now anything that I want to appear on like desktop or mobile has to be within this itty bitty little box here. Otherwise it's just not really going to show up. So I'm going to kind of make that a little transparent because I don't need it right now. So first I'm just going to kind of fill it with a very basic sort of gray. I should probably do black actually, matches better. Alright, we're going to do a black, mostly black. I don't want it to be entirely black. Okay, now this is going to come in handy because, why is it not? There we go. Now I can kind of use this as just a faint little outline for masking these little ridges here that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to go over here to sort of my default channel color, and I'm just going to kind of drag and drop. Oops. Okay, first I'm going to create a new layer before I do that, so I'm not drawing on that image thing. There we go. And now that I've done that, it's going to look quite nice. So we're going to go with something like that, make it a little smaller, like 175, 185, 200, that's perfect. And we're just going to center it. We need to kind of add a little bit of something more interesting into here. Like we could take this, very similar to what I did with this video right here. As you can see, I kind of matched it to the pinkish tone. There we go. Okay, so yeah, that's basically how you do it, or at least that's how I did it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.